All right, so I'm doing this primarily to show my class, which is my, excuse me, my public speaking class on how I do screen recordings. I can foresee some issues. I don't know if there's any built-in stuff on up on Thomas Edison, but this is how I do it. It just makes a screen, just makes a video file, and then I just upload it to the website. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's going to be kind of crazy because I'm showing software, and like right now you're looking at my face, but you're also looking at my face on the screen. So I'm using the software I'm using right now to record this. It's called Debut. I don't like it at all. I just needed, it's hard to get OBS to actually record itself. So this makes it easier for me. So I use OBS, which is Open Broadcast Software. It's completely free. It's cross-platform, Windows, Linux, Mac, doesn't matter. And I'm on a Mac. It's going to work the same way no matter what you do. So in the screen, you see I got the OBS up. Hopefully you can see this. And maybe you have this camera or this one. I'm not sure. I've got two cameras going right now because I'm just going to get it all. So anyway, the way OBS works is that down here at the bottom it says scenes. It's going to get crazy. You're going to see like an inception effect going on here. But we're going to call it screen 2. Doesn't matter. I'm going to call it something else because I show and tell. It's weird like that. Okay, so you're going to see some craziness. Oh, here we go. First, you have to select your sources. So we're going to select our sources, and we need a, looks like audio input's still good. So let's go with a video capture device. I've got them already added, but we're going to do new capture device. So I've got a software running on an iPhone to allow this to capture. The software is free. It does have this, you can buy it, but it gives us, oh, IndoCam, iPhone for Mac, and you can use whatever you want. You can use your computer's, um, your laptop's camera. You can use an iPhone if you don't have a laptop camera. There's probably software for an Android, which I do use an Android. I just haven't tried to set this up yet. There was an iPhone laying around, so I figured it out for iPhone. Anyway, so you set it up and you can actually move your screen around, which is kind of cool. So when you're doing your presentation, you can minimize yourself down here in the corner or up here. It doesn't matter where you place yourself. And then we're going to add another device. We're going to add a screen device. So we're going to go capture, display capture. Yeah, display capture. Okay, so here's that inception effect I was talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to disable the preview. That gets rid of the whole craziness I got going on. There's still some, but anyway. So what you can do is you can actually hide and show your options. But so the preview is disabled, so you're not going to see any of the stuff that is actually going on. If I enable preview, you're going to see what's going on. If you look, my camera's not here anymore. Come on. There we go. So it's just like a layered effect. You pull things down to put them on top of different things. That simple. This thing is very intuitive. I really like it. Whoever created it was a genius. Anyway, so showing this, I'm going to use my underwater astonishments video presentation I did. So I'm going to move OBS so you can see what's going on, and I can see it over there. Because right now Debut only sees one screen. OBS, you can tell it whatever screen you want to use. So I can move it around. Okay, so I'm using Google, so this is in a web browser, but you can do whatever you wish. You can use your, so actually my, move that back down. Come on, move my, I need to move my, there it is, move my video. So what I did is I moved my video, I don't know if you can see that, yeah. So I move my video so you can see it up there. This is really crazy. I wish I can show you more. Anyway, but just know that my camera is sitting right in this software. So as you go through your presentation, you just click, 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 click. You're done, no problem. And you can just move your camera around. So hopefully that helps. I know it's really down and dirty and everywhere, but I'm hoping you understand. Let's see if I can make this smaller. That right here is where you add things, add sources, like I said, browser, color sources. This thing is really, really powerful, and I'm only using like a portion of it. So next thing is you do, you press start record, it records your stuff, what's going on the screen, yada, yada, yada. And it'll show up here. So this is on a Mac, but it says preferences. It'll tell you where you're saving it to in your output. Mine's in the movies. It's probably file preferences or edit preferences. I don't know on a Windows machine, but it's going to be similar. Stop recording, and you'll be able to find it. And for me, it's in the movies folder. Movies. I've already done this a couple times. All right. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. Anyway, so it's there. It's good. All right. If you have any questions, you can let me know. But again, this is mainly for my public speaking course, just to show people how I do on-screen records. So if you have any questions, need help, let me know.